Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. That is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will show you how to make it monochromatic colors in gradient in Photoshop. So this is the second method. Go to the Photoshop, double click on the background layer, make into layer, right click on it with your mouse, go to the blending option, go to gradient overlay. Now select from here color, any kind of color. If you want a blue color, as I want to select from darker to lighter purple, that is monochromatic color. From darker to lighter purple. Now this is monochromatic color. If I want to select the multiple color, or double click on it on the rectangle mark and drag it to the right side. It will make copy of the layer. It will select multiple colors. So I don't want multiple colors. Delete go to the select that. Put your mouse on the cursor. Put your cursor on the rectangle mark and delete it. Now press OK. Now if you want to change the angle, as I don't want to change the angle from darker to lighter purple, let me darker to lighter purple. Now from darker to lighter purple, this is the monochromatic color. This was a quick tip. I'll be back with a tutorial. Or to subscribe my channel. That's Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. Have a good day. Bye.